Purpose and content overview of this channel and video. This declaration confirms the content and fundamental principles of our Glen Gain Audio YouTube channel, which conforms to all the principles of EDSA educational content and is primarily aimed at providing valuable information about the technical characteristics of various products. The channel uses music samples as a visual aid to demonstrate these characteristics in their intended context. Music samples are incorporated to enhance the viewer's understanding of the products being demonstrated. The use of repetition allows for effective comparison and evaluation of product features, thus providing clarity and depth to the technical insights shared. In other words, to compare the sound quality of two pairs of headphones, we would use the same audio track. If we wanted to compare a specific pair of headphones with 20 other pairs, we would need to play the audio track 20 times. This would allow the listener to understand how the sound of the headphones being compared differs from that of the others, and thus choose the most appropriate pair. What the user will see when starting any video: two pairs of headphones will alternate on the video, and the soundtrack of each of these headphones will be recorded. That is, the sound recorded in the video being played is recorded from headphones through specialized devices, and the video shows exactly the headphones from which the sound is being played. For more information on the Declaration of Glen Gain Audio channel content, follow the link in the description of this video.
Sliding into 50, thought I was safe, but they counted me out, said, you missed third base. So I took a little trip down by the ocean, put it all on the shelf. The beach life, you can find yourself. You got good intentions of getting in shape, but it's kinda like the postcard you never sent. And there's a sense of freedom, but it rolls out on the waves. And Jonathan still rules the wind. There is something in the air that you
There's a show inside of heaven's gate, and the sinners are taking a bath. Heaven is a season, and the season is time. I'm gonna sit right back. Ha ha ha.
for something beautiful to sing to.
So did you lose your faith? Did you fall upon your sword? I know she took a piece of your heart, and I know I had a piece of your soul. And now you follow me into the room filled with echoes and mirrors, and the sound of something pounding as you hang there just watching. And when the music is gone, the silence is still ringing with all these conversations between the dead and the living. For the ghosts become part of us. The ghosts are part of us. The ghosts are part of us.
Wasn't out of cruelty. Say goodbye today. But the pictures were turning yellow. I held them on their way. The wind picks up the pieces, blows them all around. Breathe in the smoke, then breathe it out. Tear out all the pages one by one. Put them in the fire. Light shines almost brighter than before. One more time. These times insult you with the doubts and fears. So I thought I'd stop them before they got too near. Scratch at your memory, whispering